Next topic is file system structure, means how files or data stored in a computer. Clear? And file system structure is used to organize the data. As you know, data stored in a files and folders and then drives. So how data organized in the computer system? So file system structure is used. And the Windows provide three basic structures: file allocation table, new technology file system, and resilient file system. These are the three basic file system structures. And file allocation table is based on DOS. Okay, and new technology file system is based on Windows NT. And resilient file system structure is based on Windows 8 and Windows 10, means on a new technology, latest technology based is resilient file system. These all are used to store data or used to manage the files, organize the files. Okay, so file operations are managed by these file systems. So first, what is the functions of file allocation table? This one is the simplest file system, and it consists the descriptor sector like booting sector or super block. Booting process like when Windows start loading from the memory from the ROM into a main memory. And the second thing is used to block allocation table. Consists block allocation table used to manage the memory blocks, and also consists a table. And next thing is space for storing files and folders. Storage provides storage space for storing files and folders. Next, new technology file system. How new technology file system is different from file allocation table, as it was introduced in 1993 and it based with Windows NT and Windows NT. Okay, and it consists of file descriptor in the master file table. Here descriptor sector, file descriptor sector in a file allocation table, but in new technology file system, master file table and file contents are used. Okay, and what is master file table? File table is also used to organize the files. It contains entries with all information about files, size, allocation, name, etc. Clear? And next, the last is resilient file system, is the latest development of Microsoft, introduced with Windows 8 and Windows 10. In this, data stored or file system architectures managed in a tree structure, B+tree, hierarchical structure in tree form. Okay, and absolutely differ from other Windows file system. And this one is the latest development of Microsoft, and you can take backup of files also in this. Recovery policy also there in resilient file system. This is the main feature of resilient file system.